Hey everybody, Spicci here with another box break video, and today we're going to be opening up these three boxes. 16-17 complete basketball and 17-18 Contenders, looking for Donovan Mitchell's rookie. Alrighty, let's take a look at this Contenders first, guys. If I get anything super great, I will show it to you at the end of the video. If you want to skip forward, I'm saying. Okay, let's see here. Here's the odds on that box if you guys wanted to see. Alright, let's check it out. I think this comes with one auto per box. It's probably some undrafted guy no one's ever heard of, never played in the NBA, went right to Europe, or something like that. Alright, Curry. Andrew Wiggins, Luke Kennard, Draymond Green, Kawhi Leonard, Jaylen Brown. Okay. Brandon Ingram, Chris Paul, Justin Patton, Ike and Nick Bogu. I don't think I heard of him. Giannis, Derrick Rose in the Knicks uniform. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, Ben Simmons on the back. Just opened up some other stuff that was hoping to get some of him in it, and we didn't. In the previous video, Derrick Rose. Another Chris Paul, Ben Simmons. Come on, Donovan. James Harden, the biggest crybaby in basketball, I feel like. Zach Collins. Chris Paul, there's our autograph. Derek Walton Jr. Let me know if this guy ever played in the NBA, okay, everybody? Vince the Man Carter, Scottie Pippen. Vince McMahon, the guy is ageless. De'Aaron Fox, I can't even read that. OG Anunoby. Okay. LeBron. These blaster boxes have been sucking lately, guys. Sorry. I probably should just stick with vintage boxes and stuff that doesn't really stick. Anthony Davis. Best card I've gotten recently is I don't know, Patrick Mahomes. I think it was a parallel rookie or maybe an insert rookie out of 17 score. That's about the best I've gotten. That's it, guys. Jeez, oh, garbage. Sorry guys, I'm looking at my daughter right now. She's over here just making a really weird face at me and not saying anything at all. It's kind of like a crying face, but also kind of like a pathetic, slightly...
My internet's slow.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yes, I'm trying to watch like my new favorite YouTuber.
Okay.
Oh, it just trying to start.
I'm sorry. Okay, let's check out this complete. These look like the cheapest cards ever made in the history of cards. Okay, so we'll open them, see what's in them. Get one parallel gray card. Yeah, these are garbage. These are about as crappy as 1990 Fleer. Paul Pierce is your gray card. I don't even know what they call that parallel. Parallel crap card. I have no idea. I'm guessing they're calling that one silver. Hey, Raul Neto. I like him. Kris Bosch. Alrighty, I think I'm going to make this the last box in this video because these cards are stupid. Oh, that's Cephalosha. He's a Jazz player. Last year, I don't know if he got traded or not. He's pretty good, off the bench guy. Zaza. What is that? First Steps, Marcus Kris. That's pretty neat. Gold. Obviously not numbered because they never are. And these retail boxes. I'll put that aside and see if it's worth anything. Probably not worth anything at all. Dollar card, I'm gonna guess. Alrighty. Gosh, tough product. Only opened these hoping to get a Ben Simmons rookie. I don't even know if he's in here though. I never did check. LeBron. Joe Johnson, he's a Jazz, one of the first games I went to. Oh yeah, there are some rookies in here, so he's probably in here. Maybe I'll just open them all anyways and just search for Ben Simmons. Kris Bosch home. Daniel Hamilton. Silver card. Zach Randolph, big guy. Alright, let's open up another one. We'll just try to go till we get Ben Simmons. How's that? Hoping that he's even in this product, which I don't know. Should be a great product to let my daughter open. Rodney Hood, he's not a Jazz anymore either. Joel Embiid. I forgot to say his last name.
Can I open up a card?
You want to open up a pack? Yeah, here. Here, let's get started for you.
And I'll guess the name.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Alright guys, Lena's gonna open this one.
Alright. Manuel Gamanamana.
Okay.
What's that?
Go ahead. I like your names better.
Manu Gambolai.
Okay.
Oh, I love pasta. Timothy Luigi Carrot.
That's probably not too far off.
Georgingus Papainaza. Justin Anderson. Ooh, I love upside down ones. Kimba Walker.
I think you actually got one right here. Open another one. These are fun.
Oh, which way?
Alright guys, this is more entertaining when she does it.
Thank you. So kind. Okay. Marcuto Harkless. Don't know where to put it. So,
That's good.
Jamel Crawford. Josh Richardson. Ooh, Richardson. We love a sausage. My favorite brand of sausage. Trevor Booker. Hooker? What? Corey Brios.
Okay. Okay, there's another pack right here for you. I started.
Yeah. Okay. Next. That's so funny. Marquise. Tris. Anthony Brown.
Oh, you got that one.
Andre Drummond, right?
Something like that.
Oh. We got a special one. Ooh, what's that?
I don't know. Say his name.
Juan Selena Gomez. Kelly.
Selena Gomez. Oh my gosh! Sorry, here's another pack.
That one.
Okay.
Kelly Bray Jr. Oh.
There you go.
Well, that was one.
Oh gosh. Juwan Selena Gomez. Oh my gosh, that was funny.
Okay. Sean Lavu-Skinta. Wait.
Yes.
Lavu-Skinstone. I don't even know. Mirza Teletovica. Love it. Kemba Walker.
Yeah, you got him right last time.
Danilo Gallinari.
Okay.
Dwight Howard.
Oh, that was easy. There's another one for you, ma'am.
If you made it this far, hi.
There you go.
Anthony Morrow.
Mm-hmm.
Morrow?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Spencer Dinwiddie.
Looks like Dinwiddie.
Witty.
Uh-huh.
DeMarcus Cousins. Okay. Oh, I love Cousins.
He was an old. I think he was a jazz player for.
Wait, you gotta show the camera.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, okay.
They don't care about him.
CJ Miles.
Mm-hmm.
Why are they all so backwards?
I don't know.
And that one.
And that guy again.
Can I try opening it?
Sure.
Okay, my dad loves doing cards. And while he's doing it, I cook. Not for him, though, because he cooks for me. Ooh, I got it! Yes. Next, we have Marcolini Morris.
Close.
So close. Ooh, wait, my uncle's named Wayne. Hi, Uncle Wayne. Jacob Pilato. I don't know.
Oh my goodness, we got a fancy card.
Whoa! Away.
Try to say his name.
Dirk. Now it's something. Don't really know. Anthony Davis. Oh, I hated Mrs. Davis. Oh, so mean teacher.
You hear that, Mrs. Davis? Be nice to your students. Because if not, they're going to come on YouTube and say that they hated you. There you go.
I love Mrs. Lay, though. Kris. Hump Day.
Hump Day.
Lance Thomas.
Okay.
Oh, that was my mama's last name. Oh, my
Uh-huh.
gosh. Eric Gordon.
Okay.
It's my sister's ex-boyfriend.
There.
Whoa, my goodness.
Oh, my goodness. What's his name?
Andrew Wiggins.
Yes.
And let's see. Carl Anthony Twinens.
Yes.
Okay,
Carl Anthony Twinens. Yep.
Got it. I should start doing this for YouTube.
Okay.
Dragon Blender. Blender? That's so weird. Avery Bradley. Those are my cousins' names. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, the brother and sister too, Avery and Bradley.
Hey, Avery and Bradley. Love you guys so much. Michael Keto Grill Christ.
That says kid, not keto, but.
Oh. Well, a lot of people are on keto diets these days.
That's true.
So.
That is true.
Langston Galloway.
Uh-huh. Pretty
so
good.
Funny. Ben Bentol. Oh, I hate lentils.
Oh my
so
goodness.
bad.
I know. Good for you though.
Yeah, I guess.
Hard to make them taste good though. Let's put them in a good soup with a good broth. There you go.
Hi, Hard Art Cards are one of my favorites. Kevin Dartmouth.
Dartmouth.
Vince Carter. Oh, I love Vince's Pizza.
Oh yes. Shout out to Vince's Pizza in Johnstown, New York.
My dad used to work there.
Check it out.
Sean Kirkland. Hassa White.
Okay. One more.
Oh, is this Drake?
This is Drake.
Oh, Wayne. Another Wayne.
Oh my goodness.
Elegant.
Elegant.
Ooh, can I open this one?
Well, I'll save those three for another video. Maybe I'll let you open them all tomorrow. Alright, well, you guys have a great rest of the day. I hope this video wasn't too horrible. I know it started off boring. And Elena came in for comic relief, and we appreciate that because this girl is funny in that. Okay, there you go. There's your
I had
narrator.
chocolate.
She had chocolate.
And white chocolate.
And white chocolate. So she doesn't discriminate against chocolate colors. Alright, guys.
Okay, bye.
Thanks, everyone, for watching. I gotta clean this mess up because I got cards everywhere from all these breaks I've been doing here on my kitchen table.
Look at right here.
Oh, it's just, no, it's okay. Look, there's freaking crap in there.
Oh, I love to eat wrappers.
Bag right here is full of wrappers pushed down. Anyways, I love you all. Thank you all for coming and watching. And please check in again later. Bye-bye.